Howdy, welcome to Beaver Mountworks. In this episode here, we're going to be talking about a pair of mittens that we're making up for an individual. He brought me some buffalo, and we're going to turn them into mittens. These are my beaver mittens here, right there. These are going to be with buffalo, pretty similar. So, and what I've done is I've cut out my components now from these couple of pieces he brought here. And these are different components that have to be assembled, and we'll assemble them and we'll show you some progress as it goes on. So now that everything was cut out, I had to prepare the edges here. Come looking in there, to take this skiver in there and cut back all the hair with the scissors. We cut it all back, and we just use a skiver and we clean it off. That way it's nice and clean, so we can put our glue on there for our welts. There's a welt right there. There's one here that's already together where the glue is just setting. So when we do our stitch, it has that extra strength of the welt in there. So we're at that point now. You'll see where we are in a little bit. Well, you can see we're progressing along here. We're stitching. I got one stitched up already. Have to still turn it right side out, but get the other one, second one here done. Just already punched my holes in here, and I just keep going, and we'll show you progress in a short while. Well, we're just progressing along here, stitching up the second one there. We got the first one already done, you can see here. And after we get them stitched up, then we'll turn them right side out. See you shortly. So you're back again, and we've gotten it stitched together and trimmed all around the edges. I've got one already right side out, you can see here. So I barely get my hand in there, it's pretty small. And just turn this one right side out, and you'll get to see the finished product shortly. So, well, here's the completion. These are mine. I just brought them off there, getting ready for the winter. Here's the completed buffalo ones. So you remember, our customer brought us some hide, and we created something for them. They don't fit me very well. They're a little bit small because they're for a smaller person. But that's how it is. And it is, as we stated, inside here, we write in there. We'll put the name of the individual that they're made for, but right now you can just see custom handmade by Beaver Mountworks on the 4th of December, this one here, 2017. As this person came to us, they had a dream, and we made it for them. So as you know, if you have an item, you can bring it to us and we'll create something with it. You don't have to always rely on us to try to find it, because if we have to look for it, it may be a long time. We might not be able to find exactly what you're looking for materials. But if you've gone out and hunted something, or somebody you know has, and you want to create something out of it, give us a shout. You dream it, we make it. Beaver Mountworks. Take care now.
What are you doing in my pond? I don't know in your pond. Yeah, you're in my pond. No, you're not in your pond. It's my pond. No, no, don't argue. We're gonna argue all we want. No, you can't argue.
Behave.